Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna see how to create consistent characters in Leonardo AI if you want to use a full body or full scene image with multiple storylines. Firstly, start uploading the image that contains the character's face, or you can generate a face. Once uploaded, the image will appear on your canvas. To focus the generation on the face, remove the rest of the image. Select the erase tool and carefully erase everything except the face of the character. Use the purple square generation box to define the area you want the AI to complete. On the right toolbar, find the section labeled Image Dimensions. Adjust the box to your desired final image size. Different models produce different styles. Open the model drop-down on the right. You can choose Absolute Reality 1.6 for photorealistic results or Dream Shaper 7 for more stylized or artistic outputs. Describe what you want to generate. Be specific for better results. Now, click Generate button and review all the results. Just click Accept on the image that you like best, and that's it. You've successfully used the Outpaint feature to turn character's face into a complete image, so you can generate more if you're aiming to create a storyline. And that's it, guys. As simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.